CredSafe is an application developed by MajorKey Technologies to ensure instant, secure access to critical vaults during periods of unavailability. Upon login, you are authenticated before landing on the CredSafe dashboard. From here, you can search, filter, and view which accounts are available within CredSafe. Once you've identified the account that you need access to, simply click View Password. CredSafe then communicates with CyberArk's central credential provider in real time to retrieve your cached credential, which you can then view or copy. To ensure maximum transparency, CredSafe captures all user activity within the audit log. Within the User Management panel, you are able to control user and group-level permissions within the app. When creating a new user, you are also able to select how their access is authenticated. The Configuration panel is where you control the specific CyberArk credential provider and REST connection configurations. Within the Notifications tab, you can set up a variety of alerts, such as when users log in or a credential is retrieved. There are also tabs for license and token expiration, so that you can configure how long a user's session can stay active. The Account Properties tab allows you to control which properties are displayed by default on the dashboard. Lastly, the Discovery Schedule tab allows you to control how frequently CredSafe connects to CyberArk to look for accounts. Your dashboard will auto-populate new accounts as they are discovered per the schedule you choose. If you would like to learn more about CredSafe, scan the QR code or visit us at MajorKeyTech.com. You can also reach us directly at hello@MajorKeyTech.com.